Welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. US regulators have given final approval for spot exchange-traded funds that hold Ethereum's Ether, giving Americans access to a second major cryptocurrency via the ease-to-trade vehicles. The decision caps a years-long process to get Ether ETFs approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission and follows the regulator's approval of Bitcoin ETFs in January. Approved issuers including financial giants such as BlackRock, Fidelity, 21 Shares, Bitwise, Franklin Templeton, VanEck, and Invesco Galaxy spearheaded this landmark initiative, underscoring growing institutional interest in digital assets following the success of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Research firm Steno Research predicts that the newly launched ETFs could see $15 billion to $20 billion worth of inflows in the first year, which is roughly the same that the spot Bitcoin ETFs have taken in just 7 months. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, a Nasdaq-listed exchange-traded fund closely tracking the cryptocurrency's spot price, drew in $526.7 million in investor funds on Monday. Preliminary data published by Farside Investors show that's the highest single-day tally since March, according to data source CoinGlass. Since its inception on January 11th, BlackRock alone has drawn in nearly $19.5 billion in investor funds. On Monday, the remaining 10 US-listed ETFs fell out of investor favor, attracting a net inflow of just $6.9 billion. The US government transferred 58.742 Bitcoin worth nearly $4 million to Coinbase on Monday, according to data tracked by blockchain analytics firm Arkham Intelligence. The transfer originated from an address labeled US government Ryan Fare's seized funds. The funds were seized 3 years ago from Ryan, who was convicted in 2018 for selling Xanax pills on the dark web. The latest movement of funds, perhaps a move aimed at liquidation, has emptied the Ryan Fare's seized funds address and represents less than 1% of Bitcoin's 24-hour trading volume of over $35 billion, according to data source CoinGecko. As such, the potential liquidation of funds through Coinbase is unlikely to negatively impact the spot price significantly, as the recent large-scale of BTC by Germany's Saxony state did. Crypto exchange Gate.io has begun shuttering services for Japanese customers, citing compliance requests from the country's financial regulator. Gate.io announced the termination of services for all Japanese customers in a July 22nd announcement, adding that it would assist affected customers in migrating their assets. Starting July 22nd, the Cayman Islands headquartered exchange will suspend the opening of new accounts for all customers based in Japan. The exchange said it was shutting down due to compliance requests from authorities such as the Financial Services Agency, adding that it would provide further details concerning the shutdown soon. According to the notice, Gate.io will launch a program to comply with laws and regulations in Japan and support customers by migrating them to exchanges that comply with Japanese regulations. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day. Base Network's Ethereum Layer 2 solution powers the support crypto platform, which aims to streamline the process of making crypto donations to US political candidates. This initiative comes ahead of the 2024 presidential elections and aims to promote industry-friendly legislative measures in Washington, D.C. The platform supports 100% cryptocurrency donations, offering minimalistic user requirements and an extensive range of digital currencies, including popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum, alongside an impressive array of 240 other crypto assets. Franklin Templeton, a prominent financial institution, has invested in the Bitcoin Layer 2 project, BitLayer Labs, which has raised $11 billion in a Series A funding round. The project, which sits atop a base layer like Bitcoin or Ethereum, offers a faster and cheaper way to process transactions by compiling them in batches and recording them periodically on the primary blockchain. The latest round brings BitLayer's total funding to $16 million. Other investors include Stake Capital Group, WAGMI Ventures, Flow Traders, GSR Ventures, and Falcon X. BitLayer is the first Bitcoin infrastructure project to receive investment from an ETF licensed institution, highlighting the growing interest and momentum from institutions to tackle the technical challenges Bitcoin faces when it comes to scaling. Grayscale has transferred $1 billion worth of Ethereum to Coinbase, causing speculation about potential sales. However, experts believe this is part of a strategic reallocation tied to the Grayscale Ethereum Trust and its new ETF offerings. John Kapnaga, a senior executive at Nexus Digital, explains that this move is in preparation for the introduction of the mini Ethereum ETF, where around 10% of the assets from ETHE are being allocated to this new ETF. This strategic transfer is not an isolated event, as Grayscale has also executed substantial Bitcoin transfers during the rollout of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Telegram, the messaging platform, has reached 950 million monthly active users, marking a significant milestone in its growth. The platform's innovative engagement strategies are focusing on play-to-earn games, particularly Hamster Combat, which has captivated millions with its engaging touch-and-win mechanics and strategic gameplay involving adorable hamsters. This has significantly boosted Telegram's user engagement metrics. The Open Network, a cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $17 billion, has been a driving force behind Telegram's ecosystem integration. TON, which ranks as the 10th largest cryptocurrency, symbolizes the synergy between the platform and blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency whales have moved over 74 million XRP tokens from Binance in the last 24 hours, indicating a strong trading sentiment. This comes as the Ripple versus SEC case approaches its final remedies ruling, which is expected in the coming weeks. Whale Alert reported significant transactions, including the movement of 26.42 million XRP and 23.65 million XRP, valued at $16.02 million and $14.07 million respectively, from Binance to unknown wallets. These transactions have raised concerns in the crypto community, suggesting a potential bullish stance as the legal case reaches a decisive phase. Floki, the cryptocurrency ecosystem, has announced that Valhalla, a MMORPG spin on the classic Creature Collection adventure, will be the associate sponsor for India's tour of Sri Lanka. The partnership will provide Valhalla with significant visibility through high-visibility ground assets such as pitch mats, LED boards, and backdrops. Floki, the people's cryptocurrency and utility token of the Floki ecosystem, aims to become the world's most known and used cryptocurrency, focusing on utility, philanthropy, community, and marketing. India will be touring Sri Lanka following their historic T20 World Cup Championship win in the USA. The series will begin with back-to-back T20Is on July 27th and ODIs on August 1st, with only a 2-day gap between each match.